In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Zillow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the update so your account reflects the correct contact information. First, head to Zillow.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct profile you actually use for browsing or managing listings. If you're on a phone or tablet, you can follow along in a mobile browser as well. The layout may look a bit different, but the options are the same. If you don't see the Sign In option at first, look for the menu icon or your profile avatar near the top of the page. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Settings. If you don't see the icon, refresh the page or confirm that you're still signed in. In some layouts, your profile icon may show your initials instead of a photo, but it works the same way. Inside Account Settings, find and open the Profile section. In some versions of the site, this may be labeled Edit Profile. This is the area where Zillow stores your basic contact information, including your phone number. It's a good idea to quickly scan the page so you know where the fields are and what you're changing. Next, locate the phone number field and click Edit next to it. Type in your new number carefully, making sure it's accurate and active. If you're outside the United States, include the correct country code. Watch for formatting prompts that Zillow might display, and double-check for typos before you save. When you're confident it's correct, click Save or Update to apply the change. If the Save button looks disabled, make sure any required fields on the page are filled out. To keep your account secure, Zillow may ask you to verify the new number. You might receive a text message or an automated call with a verification code. Keep the page open, enter the code exactly as you receive it, and submit it to complete the update. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, then try the resend option. Ensure your phone has a good signal and that you're entering the most recent code. Codes can expire, so use the newest one you receive. That's it. Your phone number is now updated. If the change doesn't show immediately on your profile or messages, give it a few minutes, or sign out and back in to refresh. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you update your own account.